Hi, my name is Kevin Connor. I am the Meat and Seafood Director for Coburn's Incorporated. Another favorite, my family favorite, my son's, is our Four Brothers Gourmet Beef Patties. Now these come in 13 different flavors. Choose your favorite. My favorite is plain, but our best selling is the bacon cheddar. That's closely followed by our pepper jack, seasoned as well. So with the plain or any plain burger that you do on the grill, you season with our Four Brothers burger seasoning. And again, I put it on both sides. Get enough on there so you can taste the seasoning as well. The beef eats well without the seasoning, but it just adds a little bit more to your eating experience. And then I add a little bit of pepper as well. And pepper brings out the flavor in food. I was taught that at a young age. And I pat it down as well. So make sure you pat your seasoning in. It won't fall off the grill, as juices do fall into the grill. And I season both sides liberally. We're ready for the grill. So we've pre-seasoned our burgers. We have them ready to go on the grill. We've preheated the grill. We brought it up to a nice high cooking temp. On my burgers, I'm going to tell you, I like to cook them indirectly just because burgers have a tendency to flare up. They have a little more fat in the meat and protein itself. So we're going to cook them with one of my burners off. We'll let the rest of the grill cook the burger when I put them on. So we'll cook above the burner that I turned off. And again, we want to make sure we close the grill lid while it's cooking. That meat and the juices that hit our bottom will give that burger just a little bit extra flavor that you're looking for on the grill. So we're going to check our temp, make sure we're finally up to speed. We want to make sure they're between 155 and 160 minimum cooking temp, and we're looking good. Juices are running clear, and the temperature on all four burgers, again, are where we need them to be. So now what we'll do is we'll add the cheese. For those that like cheese. Maybe add a few slices, and we'll cover that again for another minute and retrieve them when they're done. So after we're done, we plate and we're ready to eat. Put a little ketchup, mustard on the side, and you'll be happy when you're eating those.